We will now look at adjusting the IG door hinge in the vertical direction. For this, we need a 2mm Allen key, a 5mm Allen key, and a sharp bladed screwdriver to remove the caps. We'll start by undoing the security grub screw using the 2mm Allen key. It's important to note that for the vertical adjustment in particular, you will need to undo all of the grub screws on all of the hinges rather than just the hinge you are working on. Next, we remove the bottom cover cap from the hinge using the screwdriver. This exposes the vertical adjustment screw. To raise the door in the frame, we turn this screw in a clockwise direction. Like so. This will close the gap at the top of between the top of the door and the frame if the gap is too big. It's important as well to note that once you've got the door in the required position by adjusting one hinge, then you should adjust the others to match so the load is being carried evenly. Once we are happy with the position, we can tighten the security grub screw again and replace the cover cap.